Seriously, I want you to know that when you are busy setting someone up, that the God is also busy setting you up in a very bigger way, that you will be put to shame and the whole world will be, the whole hand will be upon you for disgrace. Why am I saying this? I want you to see how people are very, very busy, committed. They are so committed in what they are doing. Why? PhD. Push him down. Make sure you pull him down. That is the operation. What is going on? Pull Evangelist Ebuka Obi down. Use gossip of people that arrange the setup, the people that are organized within themselves to arrange the fake testimony, the people that bring or how come he did not know. Some will say, okay, how come when you say he's of Ucharafancha, how come he did not see that the lady is fake, that the house is the people that set him up, that arranged the phone for the lady to come. Okay, you guys are so happy. Why? Your reasons are like one of them that were making it. What are your reasons? You say that the native doctors, they are fighting them, investigating them. Why are them not investigating the churches? Why are them not investigating the pastors? Then tell that to Soludo to do the investigation. Not you arranging someone to come and give testimony. So everyone that give testimony in every church now, so you have a team, your group, that follow the person up to know what the person do for a living, follow the person up to know where the person stays. Shame on you all. That is a very simple sign of jobless in the spirit, jobless in mind. The other time I told you something, I said, and when he okere kundi bloggers nile tagidera parais kahata chaya in 30 years. So why wasting your time? Like the person that were giving me this story, making sure that didn't you see your brother, your pastor is doing fake miracle. How come he do not see that the girl is fake? How does that look like a fake miracle to you? Is that a miracle? Do you see a video when Evangelist Ebuka Obi located the lady in open heaven, or located the lady in a divine mercy, or located the lady in a Zion ministry ground and say, there is a lady here, you build a very big mansion, or you come out? No. When they were talking, the other one was like, why is your Zion legal team are not investigating people very well before they come out to testify? If you see the Zion legal team, tell them. Tell them. Because some of them have left what they're supposed to do and busy going live online and talking rubbish, and forget that they're supposed to concentrate and do what they ask them to do. Why they bring that group called Zion legal team? Okachankana Zanandi. You forget what you're supposed to concentrate to do. You know, if you got about Ubu na chobi getinyono onye nka jikwe shinka okay after na live Facebook and actually here who joy does it give you? Who tell you that thing is funny? It's not funny, but it makes you more foolish, because there is a lot of work to do. So many all these unbelievers, so many all these wicked ones, they're out there planning how to set up, planning how to arrange people to come and do fake testimony, fake this. Then let there be a solid people to investigate those people that come in to do testimony. I have a testimony. What is your testimony? I bought a new house in this place. Okay, wait. You will give that testimony next week. Let us investigate that place you bought the house. Period. You are there now Facebook Live gonna do more than nonsense. Does that give you joy? There's no joy in that, but it bring a blaspheming. My name is Royal Highness Igbo Obi. Prophet Ebuka Obi is a prophet I love so much. Is a brother to me that I love so much. So you coming out there to think that bringing this testimony like all these vampire bloggers that always want to show it and do the face like this. So we put the hand in the head. Serious headache will soon hold you that will not stop. You open your mouth to mock. Your mouth will soon open wild when the serious curse will come upon you. That it will be difficult for the mouth to close. So why is it that anything that had to do with Evangelist Ebuka Obi on our own one special authority? Now, the people that is even making the statement to me is referring what happened in Anambra State, that they should come and investigate all these people. Every state have the way they want to rule their states or govern them states. You don't bring what is happening in Anambra State to Lagos State. You don't bring it to the whole Nigeria at large. Isiala Luolagi. We sure they're going to about. Do what you need to do in your own side, not what others are doing for their own states. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi announce this person in public that there is a lady here, you have a mansion, come and testify, that's a different thing. That's where you will now say, okay, that he's a fake prophet, he's a fake this. No. As far as you do not, you are a fake blogger. You are a fake human being. You are a fake viewer. You are a fake reasoner. Everything about you is fake. That's why I had to call that man of God a fake. That why didn't you see that the lady is fake? Things of spiritual is too high. It's only those that are spiritual that understand the things of spiritual. If you are not, be wise and stop bringing curse upon yourself.